Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing marriage equality in Thailand. This is a topic we've discussed rather frequently in other videos on this channel. The reason for this one is I was reading a recent article in the Pattaya Mail. It's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Pattaya Gay Pride Emphasizes Equality and Commercialism. I urge those who are watching this video, go check that out. But I thought this particular excerpt was relevant to make this video, and then we'll get into the analysis. Quoting directly, the parade comes at a pivotal moment for gay rights in Thailand, as a bill for same-sex civil union status is currently wending its bureaucratic way through Parliament. This is seen as more likely to pass than full marriage because of opposition to complete equality in sections of the military-backed government. The Pattaya pressure group Alliance for Gender Equality said not to worry, as even in the UK, gay civil unions historically preceded marriage. They point out that homosexuality was classified in Thailand as a psychiatric disorder as recently as 2005. Never try to hurry the Orient is the rule of thumb. Yeah, and kind of well put across the board there. But I think, just to quote this one more time, Alliance for Gender Equality says not to worry, as even in the UK, gay civil unions historically preceded marriage. Yeah, the U.S. was a little strange on this because the U.S. Supreme Court kind of came down like a lightning bolt and just fundamentally changed frankly, the law regarding recognition, at least, of same-sex civil unions or same-sex. Yeah, let me be clear: same-sex marriage, civil union. I mean, there were various states that had legislation that legalized civil unions, but when the Supremes finally got a hold of it in any meaningful way, I mean, they basically just came down and said, look, there's just full marriage equality. That's just the way it is. But other countries, notably in many places, the Commonwealth, it's my understanding this kind of evolved over time. It started off with civil unions, and then as time went on, new legislation was either passed or the courts took it up, and they said, look, there just needs to be full equality. My thing at this point, where we're at in Thailand, and remember, Thailand is a very conservative country, I think civil unions would be a big step in the right direction. Let me be clear, I don't think it's the destination, but I think it's a big step in the right direction for folks, especially for things like estate planning, tax planning, making determinations with, it remains to be seen how this would impact things like immigration, if at all, or immigration policy, immigration law, if at all. So again, we're kind of in a wait-and-see mode right now to see exactly what passes and to see exactly how it's promulgated in order to understand sort of the ramifications of any change on the policy here. But like I said, if all that were to happen in 2022 is a civil union bill, I think you got to put that in the win column, even though, again, it's not the final destination. It's just simply, one more major stride on the path to full marriage equality here in the Kingdom of Thailand.